A common problem for Game Boys is no sound except through the headphones. The most common cause for this is corrosion inside of the headphone jack. See, these two contacts move apart from each other whenever the headphones are inserted. And that's how the Game Boy knows to turn the speaker off. But if there's corrosion there, then it's never making a good contact. Just take some 1000 grit sandpaper, trim it into a thin strip, and then insert some headphones and start sanding between these 2 points. To give it that extra power, leave the sandpaper between the points and then remove the headphones. Now that it's firmly gripped, you can pull the sandpaper out. Happy gaming!